How to sign up for Microsoft Teams account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through these exact steps on how you can set up your Microsoft Teams account. So for this demonstration I will be using a Windows PC, so follow through. So the first step that we're going to do is simply move our cursor towards the bottom of the screen and search for Teams. And once we find the Teams application, we simply gonna launch it by double tapping on to this name. And now it says welcome to Teams, and it is showing me some pre-suggested accounts that I have used in Teams. But in your case, if none of the account is showing up, you can simply click onto this create or use another account, and then this dialog box will appear from where you can sign in into your Microsoft account. So if you have the credentials of your Microsoft account, you can simply type in your email, phone, or Skype, and then the password, and your Teams account will also be created. But even if you don't have any Microsoft account, you can create one by clicking onto this create one link right here. Simply click onto this and it will take a moment to load. And once this loads, you will be able to create a Microsoft account. So for example, here you can create any account. So let us give it any example. So let me say demo at the rate, then you can type in anything, let's say outlook.com, or it will be automatically fetched. If you want to change it, you can also change it to hotmail as well, but since I know that demo might not be available, I will be try to keep it something unique. So let's say demo and some random numbers following through. And once I'm done with this, I can click onto this next button, and then I can choose to create a password. So let me quickly create a password, and then once I'm done with the password, I'm going to click onto this next button. Then I can type in my name, my first name, and then my surname, and then I'm going to click onto this next button, and from here I can specify my region and also my birth month, date, and the year in which I was born. And then I'm going to click onto this next button, and once I do that, you can see that my Microsoft account is being created, and now it asks me to solve a puzzle so that it does not classify me as a robot. I'm going to click onto this solve button, and I got to point this particular object towards this direction, like it is facing in this image over the left hand side. And then you can click onto this submit button, and just like that I have successfully proven that I'm a human. And once this successful captcha has been solved, you can see that this says I can also use my Windows Hellos with my account. So I can click onto this OK button. But if I don't want to do this, I can click onto this cancel option as well. Or I can click on I'll set up my account later as well. But in your case, you can simply close onto that and your account will be created. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.